What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today on this Super Saturday? Oh, yes. I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're back to do a quick update on the Mailbox income system. Go check it out at www.mailboxincomesystem.info. The link is in the description. Check it out. See what we got going on. All right, we're here just to do our quick update because we have received another envelope. Okay, commissions. All right, so we're going to talk about it just a little bit. Do a little quick review and we're out. All right, guys. All right, let's get into it. Let's talk about it. Let's go. All right, first and foremost, we're in our dashboard here. And what does this program offer? Digital products, standard training modules. Okay, you're going to get, so for $100, one-time payment, no monthly fees, that gets you into the program. All right, let's move this out the way. You're in the program for $100, and you get with it your back office, your dashboard. As you can see, I'm in the back office. The standard training modules is what you're going to get for the $100. You get 2 products here. Email Profits Bootcamp. Let's check it out. Okay. Email Profits Bootcamp Instructor. Here's the modules, as you can see right here. And you can download the PDF course, overview and resources. Okay, so that's one training module there. One training module. Okay, then the next one that you're going to get is called Dominating with Free Facebook Strategies. And you can see what's covered in that training module. All right, and again, you get your total back office. It includes a capture page. Okay, this is the capture page we all get. You're going to drive traffic, people, that's what traffic is, people to your website. We all have this website that's coded to us. Okay, when folks enter their name and email, they get this page right here, the landing page. This right here is like a 2-minute video from the owner that kind of gets them going. It's like a sizzle video. And if they're interested from that point, what people would do is request their starter kit and enter their name, their first name, last name, email, and the address. Then the company, there's no mailing required from us on our end. The company is going to mail them the sales letter. They call it a kit, but it's a sales letter. It's a 6-page sales letter. Okay, 6 pages here that explains the program. In the kit, if you will, the kit is going to come in a brown envelope like so. Okay, and here's your sales letter that's going to be in there. This is what you can read over, find out what it's all about. They also send you a little envelope where no postage is required. This is where you're going to mail your $100 back in. I recommend getting a money order. That way you'll have something to track it. I also recommend mailing it back priority mail so that you have a tracking number from the post office. Mail it in something like this, a priority mail envelope, so you have a tracking number and you'll know when it actually gets to the office. I think it's an extra $7 or something. Otherwise, if you just drop it in the mail in this little envelope, right, it could take 7 to 10 days. You have no way to track it, don't know where it is out there in the mail universe. We all know mail is very slow, right? That's just me. If I was doing this, I would mail it when I did it. Mail this in a priority mail envelope. Okay? So anyway, do it how you want to do it. This is what I'm recommending. Now, they have a this envelope, no postage is required. If you use their envelope, you don't even have to put postage on it. They have inside the envelope this little thingy here, right? With this, you can put your money order in here and then put it inside so it covers the money order where people can't see through the money order, right? All right, so, and then you just drop it in the mail. All right, again, I recommend taking this and putting it inside of the priority mail envelope. All right, and that's what you get in your kit. $100, you're in. That's why it's very important when you fill this out to put your email here, your right email, guys, because the company, once they receive your payment, they'll email you your information so you can have your login information to log into your back office. Okay? So you want to put the right information here. First of all, so you can get your kit, you can mail in your payment, and then you get your login. Okay? So make sure you fill this out correctly. All right? And you will get the same marketing system. Okay? All right, and as you can see in this marketing system, we have these tabs. Pro is an upgraded version that you can go check out at your leisure. I want you to go to www.mailboxincomesystem.info. You can get all the details. Go register, set up your account. All right, you got the following tabs. You have your products, which is the tab we're on right here. You have websites. Let me show you that. Let's see, where is it? Hang on one second. Site tab, right? You can see the company puts you in a rotator. Everybody gets placed in a rotator. This is where you can track what's going on as far as the hits that you have on analytics, basically. All right, on your capture page, which is the page I showed you where you enter your name and email. So I've had about 1,300 hits on there. And you can even see the hits on the sales page, okay, which is that page I showed you right here, okay, where I've sent this out in maybe an email or something like that, right? So you can check all that out, right? So you know what's going on with your program, where you stand. Then also in there, if you click marketing, guys, they have marketing material. If you decide, hey, you know what, I want to mail out some postcards to some folks, okay, how can I do that? Well, the company has put together a postcard, and they will put your ID on it. All you have to do is come here. They call it the ugly card, and select the quantity. How many do you want? 100 for $20, 200 for $37.50, 300 for $55, and so forth. They'll mail them to you, and they even have a mailing list in here. I also have a mailing list. I'll put that link in the description. These are names and addresses of buyers, people that have purchased in network marketing before, inquired about home-based business before. So there's a list of names and addresses of people on pill and stick labels. You can place an order for those as well. Put them on your postcards and mail them out to people. That's optional. It's not required, because you can do online marketing to drive people to your site, right? And I'll show you a company that you can use for that. But they have flyers as well, banners, email swipes. All this is in your back office. Just click on marketing, okay? Then they also have a tab for your leads. I'm not going to click it because it's going to have people's email addresses and things on there, right? You can see all your leads in here. Then your kits, you can see how many kits have gone out on your behalf. This tab will show your team. This tab will show your sales. Let's go over here to kits. Let me cover up some stuff because I don't want to reveal information for privacy protection. Let's check it out. I'm going to cover up the information below to protect people's information. But right here, you'll see 15 kits have gone out in position 1 with my name on it. 398 kits have gone out in position 2 with my name on it. And 5 kits have gone out in position 3 with my name on it, okay? Now, if you look at 398 kits, that's very high, right? How did that happen? Because one of my teammates, and I've told you guys this before, she actually placed an order to purchase traffic, okay? Visitors that went to her page, her capture page, and they requested these kits, and the company mailed them on our behalf. All right, so I'll show you that resource too before we get out of here. So for people that are saying, well, hey, who do I market to? Right, so you don't have to bug friends, family, spam people in their inboxes, bother people on social media. You can order traffic, guys. So I'll put that link in the description. But just wanted you to see how you can track everything here from your back office. All right. Now, let me show you an email that I received as well. So let's check it out. All right. So let's take a look here real quick. Actually, even as of today, I received an email from the company today. Let's see what it says here. Today's kits. Hey, Pandora, I just wanted to let you know that I just processed the following starter kits for you and the position that your name is in the pay line on each one. 2 kits in position 3. Okay. Now, let's take a look at this next one. This is this week. 1 kit in position 2, 1 kit in position 3. Here's another one. 5 kits in position 2. Okay, because you get paid on 3 levels here. Okay. 2 kits in position 2. That's the other thing. 3 levels. And then, of course, they sent out an email to let me know that my commissions was on the way. And they talked about the envelope that they have now. They show you that so you'll know. This is what looks like a number 10 envelope. Okay, so number 10. And you have the little blue sheet in the background. Okay, that's what your commissions come in. Because that's what they're doing. Instead of them using payment processors, they're just sending you cash for your commissions. Everybody that pays $100 to get started in the program, you make $20 per person that pays $100. And that's 3 levels down. Okay, so again, people are going to go to your site. Mine is www.mailboxincomesystem.info. That link is in the description. You go here, put in your information, then you get your sales page right here. Watch this little short 2-minute video if you're interested in getting a free sales letter that will explain everything and the envelope to mail your $100 back in. Fill out this information right here, put your correct email. Once the company receives your $100, they're going to email you. You get your back office login so that you can log in and get access to your dashboard, just like the one I just showed you. And your capture page, okay? Your whole marketing system. All right? That's the system. You don't have to mail. It's not required, okay, to earn. Your job is just to get people here. The more people you get here, the more people that will request the kits. And every time someone pays their $100, they get their digital products, the 2 digital products for $100, they get that full back office, right? So every time they pay $100, anybody pays $100, you make 20 on 3 levels. All right? Cash, cash, cash. All right? Now, let's take a look. We've got an envelope here. Before I do that, let me show you the company that one of my members and I even use for my other programs. Okay, for any business opportunity, you can use this service. Let me show you. All right, the link is in the description. This is Solo Traffic. They provide traffic basically to any offer in the Make Money Online space, the business opportunity space, MLM, affiliate marketing offers, ClickBank, CPL, and CPA offers. Okay, there's a few packages in which you can select from. There's testimonies from lots of people here. If you come down here, you're going to want US only because this is a mail order type of business, right? The company's got to mail a sales letter, and they're not going to mail out of the country. So you're going to need to request this traffic only, okay? So 200 visitors to go to your capture page will cost you $90. All right, it tells you that right here. They send 200 buyers over. Now, they can't make people put in their name and email. You can't force them, but they will send 200 over, okay, for $90. And you can get 300 visitors for $135, 500 visitors for $220, 1,000 visitors for $440, and 2,500 for $1,075. Now, one of my members' teammates she ordered the 2,500 click package. Okay, and that's why we've got so many kits that went out on our behalf. Okay, so this is a way you can market without chasing friends and family. You can actually purchase solo traffic. All right, so I'll put that link in the description. Now this is for any business out there, any business opportunity, biz op. The US only, I'm saying that because this is mail order. For all of you that have a international business like I have, for the Daily Pay Income at the copypastemethod.com, all those type of business opportunities, any of those can use these tier 1 or the unique traffic. Okay, but you need US only for mail order. Okay, because nobody's mailing kits out of the country. All right, guys, so check that service out, link in the description. Now let's get into this little envelope that we received in the mail. All right, let's check it out. All right, so we're gonna get our handy dandy scissors. Let's see here without me cutting the moolah. All right, let's see. See what we got here. You pull this out. Whoa, it's stuck. Seems to be stuck here. Let me cut the other side. It's stuck in here. I think they may have it glued down. Hang on. Let me cut this side over here and see if I can pull it from this side. We don't want to cut. It's stapled. Interesting. Hey guys, just hang in there where you can see this is the real deal. I've got to cut it out. And cut the top. Alright. Yeah, it was, I think, kind of some glue or something was in there. Alright, so that's me showing my info. 2 20s on this one. Let's see here. And it tells you. I love how they do that. So we've got 2 20s. It says right here, thank you for being a part of the club. And it tells you the date on here. Look. Real deal. Okay. So it's dated. There you have it, guys. Alright, so you're going to get that blue envelope that tells you how much. And then we've got our 220. So that means 2 people actually signed up. Okay, $20 per sign up. All right, guys. So go check out this opportunity. Another way to earn online. Actually, you may earn it online, but the system is online. The company mails the sales letter for you on your behalf. Your job is just driving people here to your page. All right. You'll have a page just like this coded to you. All right. And you can use this service. All right. That way you don't have to bug friends and family. All right. That's it. That's all. Go check it out. If you're interested, get your sales letter. Doesn't cost you anything to get the letter in the mail. Read over. If it sounds like something you're interested in, get started. All right. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. The link is in the description. Go check it out at www.mailboxincomesystem.info. See you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button. See you on the next video.